What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Jerry Mouse from Tom and Jerry. Let's begin today's drawing in the center page of the top edge of the nose. We're going to draw a curve from left to right. We'll go up and then down. And then from the ends we're going to curve the nose, coming down and in towards a center point. Let's add an oval along the top for the highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now I want to draw the top edge of the cheeks, starting from the corners of the nose, bend this up and then out. And then we're going to layer the cheeks on top. So we're going to step up and out, come in towards that line, around, and then bend that out. Let's do the same thing on the right in the opposite direction. Now we're going to place the eyes on top. Let's start from this point, curve this up, around at the top of the eye, come down, and then in. Let's go to the right side, coming up towards the same height, round out the eye, come down, and then in. Now I'm going to push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw an oval, going up, come down, just tuck that in. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each pupil, and we'll fill the bottoms in black. Now let's move back to the center and draw the top edge of the mouth, starting from the nose, coming down, bend that up underneath the cheek, go back to the center, come down and up on the right side. Now from the corners of the mouth, we're going to bend the mouth coming in and then down. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add the tongue across the bottom, starting on the left. We're going to go up. I just want to bend this down towards the right to create a fold. Step back, go up, and then back down. Let's fill the top of the mouth in black. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to draw the lip. Starting on the left, follow that same curve coming down, around, and then up. Let's go back up underneath the cheeks. We're going to add a fold, coming in and then down, and then just tuck that in towards the side of the lip. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the top of the cheek, let's move out. Just going to curve this out, come around the side, and then in towards the bottom. Let's line this up on the right. Going around the cheek, and then down, and then in. Let's add that point of fur across the top. Let's start on the left side, bend this out and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now just going to swirl this around, coming down and then up. Now I want to blend this in towards the inside of the ear, going up towards the top and then back in towards the side of the head. So we're going to go up, round out the ear, come all the way around the outside, and then back in. Now let's repeat that over on the right side. Start by going up towards the same height, come all the way around this outside, come down, and then bend that in. Now before we close out the head, let's add those lashes. Starting from the top of the eye, bend this out and then up. Move out and add one more. Now above the eyes, we're going to add a curve of the eyebrow, coming up and then down. Let's go back to the top curve of the ears. We're going to add that fold, coming in and then down towards the top of the head. Go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. We're going to bend this up and then in towards the middle. Now I'm going to add some hair along the top. Start by going out and then up. Taper this back down. Let's curve this up and then out towards the side. And then back down towards the top of the head. Now let's close this off just like we did on the left. Going out and then down. Now let's finish this off by adding some whiskers. We're gonna start on the left side, bend this up across the cheek and then down. And we'll just line it up on the right, going up and then out. Let's add one more. We're gonna step down, going out and then down. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's Jerry Mouse from Tom and Jerry. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.